In this video, I'll explain how to blur an image in PowerPoint. You can blur an image directly in PowerPoint without using any editing software. First, you have to insert an image into a slide, and then select Image. Go up to the menu and click Picture Format, and then select Early Thick Effect, which is in the Adjust tab. There are so many effects you can choose from, and go ahead to the blur effect here and then click. The blur effect has been applied to this image. If you want to change blur intensity, you can do that as well. Just click an image and then go up to the picture format and click Early Thick Effects again and scroll through to Early Thick Effect options. When you click this, the formatting pane will be opened on your right hand side. There is a slider. You can change the intensity by sliding this slider. If you move this slider to the right, the intensity is increased. And if you move this slider to the left, intensity will be decreased. Yeah, that's it. That's how you blur an image in PowerPoint slide. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.